Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Ego Trimmer Replacement Head is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining a pristine lawn, ensuring your EGO string trimmer continues to perform at its peak efficiency and deliver those crisp, clean edges you desire for your outdoor space. Without a properly functioning head, even the most powerful trimmer can falter, leaving you with frustratingly uneven cuts and a less-than-perfect finish to your yard work, which is why selecting the right replacement is crucial for any homeowner serious about curb appeal and the overall health of their grass. Number 5. Ego Power Plus STA 1500 String Trimmer Attachment. Introducing the EGO Power Plus String Trimmer Attachment, designed for effortless yard maintenance. It's battery-powered for ultimate convenience. Featuring our innovative power load technology, reloading your trimmer line is faster and easier than ever before. Simply push the button and rewind. Achieve professional-grade results with its 15-inch cutting swath and durable 0.095-inch cutting line. The bump head advancement ensures continuous cutting. Built with an aluminum alloy gear case and weather-resistant construction, this attachment is designed to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. This attachment is exclusively compatible with the EGO Power Plus Power Head PH 1400, sold separately. Use genuine EGO parts for guaranteed quality and performance. Experience powerful and efficient operation thanks to its advanced brushless motor. It delivers consistent power for all your trimming needs. What we like. This attachment features the innovative power load technology for faster line rewinding. Its 15-inch cutting swath ensures efficient trimming. If you're looking for a hassle-free line replacement and a wide cutting area, this is the choice for you. What people say. This is a great replacement head for my Ego trimmer. It was easy to install and works just like the original. I have been using it for a few weeks now and it is holding up well. Number 4. Ego Power Plus 15 String Trimmer Head Assembly. Introducing the EGO Power Plus 15-inch String Trimmer Head Assembly. This is the perfect replacement part for your electric trimmer. Experience the convenience of bump head line advancement. Simply tap the trimmer head on the ground to advance the line as you work. This assembly comes with a pre-wound spool, saving you time and hassle. It's ready to go right out of the box. It includes 17 feet of 0.095-inch twisted nylon line. This durable line is designed for efficient trimming. This head assembly is designed for EGO Power Plus electric string trimmer models ST1500, ST1500F, ST1500S, ST1500SF, and ST1500XY. The part number for this essential trimmer head is AH1300. Ensure you have the right part for optimal performance. What we like. This head comes with a pre-wound spool of 0.095-inch twisted nylon line for immediate use. The bump head advancement makes line feeding easy. If you need a quick and simple replacement head that's ready to go, this is an excellent option. What people say. This replacement head is a perfect fit for my Ego trimmer. It was easy to install and started working right away. The trimmer head is very durable and has held up well through multiple uses. Number 3. Bicaco 366-058-2001 Trimmer Head Compression Spring. Ensure your string trimmer is running smoothly with this genuine Bicaco replacement part. It's designed to fit a variety of models for reliable performance. This compression spring is a genuine EGO Power Plus part, ensuring compatibility and quality. It's made to work seamlessly with your EGO trimmer head. This part is compatible with trimmer head models AH1300, AH1520, AH1530, and AH1531. It's designed for a precise fit. It fits a wide range of EGO string trimmers, including the ST1500 series and STA1500. Check the compatibility list to ensure it's the right fit for your tool. Please be aware that older versions of some trimmer heads may require a different spring. Verify your trimmer head model, especially if it has green lines that need to line up for string insertion. We recommend verifying that this part fits your specific model before making a purchase. If you're unsure, please contact the seller for assistance to ensure you get the correct part. What we like. This is a genuine EGO part specifically designed as a compression spring for many of their trimmer models. It's crucial for ensuring proper function if your old spring is worn out. If you've identified a faulty spring in your trimmer head and need a precise replacement, this is the part you need. What people say. It is a perfect fit for my EGO trimmer. The trimmer head is easy to install and use. It works great and makes trimming my lawn a breeze. Number 2. EGO Power Plus AL2420P Twisted String Trimmer Lines. Introducing the EGO Power Plus Twisted String Trimmer Lines, designed for professional-grade performance. Get 14 feet of 0.095-inch twisted line for immaculate results every time. This professional-grade twisted line ensures a clean and precise cut. Its 0.095-inch diameter is perfect for tackling demanding trimming jobs. Enjoy seamless integration with all EGO Power Plus string trimmers. It's also compatible with the EGO Multi-Head 15-string trimmer attachment. As genuine EGO parts, these lines guarantee optimal compatibility, unwavering quality, and exceptional performance. Trust in the brand for your outdoor power equipment needs. These trimmer lines are specifically designed for string trimmer heads engineered to handle 0.095-inch line. Experience the difference that precision-engineered accessories make. What we like. These are pre-cut, professional-grade twisted trimmer lines designed for optimal performance. They are compatible with all EGO Power Plus string trimmers. If you frequently use your trimmer and want to ensure you always have high-quality line on hand, this 5-pack is a convenient and reliable solution. What people say. The line feeds automatically and it is very easy to install. It is a perfect fit for my EGO trimmer and works great. Number 1. EGO Power Plus Rapid Reload Trimmer Head AH1530. Introducing the EGO Power Plus Rapid Reload Trimmer Head. Forget aligning eyelets and spools, simply insert the line for a hassle-free experience. This innovative design makes reloading your trimmer line incredibly simple. Spend less time on maintenance and more time on your lawn. Its free-rotating bump cap reduces load, leading to better runtime. You'll notice the difference in efficiency and power. The cap twists to rewind, preventing any line tangles during the rewinding process. This ensures a smooth and uninterrupted workflow. It accepts both 0.080-inch and 0.095 line sizes. This versatility ensures it meets the needs of both homeowners and professional users. As a genuine EGO part, you can trust in its guaranteed compatibility, superior quality, and optimal performance. It's built to last. What we like. This trimmer head offers unparalleled ease of use with its any insert designed for line loading and a free rotating bump cap to reduce wear. It accommodates both 0.080-inch and 0.095-inch line. If you value convenience, extended runtime, and the flexibility to use different line gauges, this is the head for you. What people say. This replacement head is a perfect fit for my EGO trimmer and works just as well as the original. The line feeds automatically, which is a huge convenience and saves a lot of time. It was easy to install and got my trimmer working like new again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.